Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this lip syncing video on CapCut PC. Go to AI avatars and select from these avatars, or you can upload them yourself in the customize section by uploading either a video or a photo. I'm just going to be using the one that they have here. Let's use this person. What did I just drop? Oh no, that's not good. Let's do this. Well, next. Oh my god, that's so loud. Okay, you're just going to enter whatever you want. I'm just going to type in whatever you want. You can also select the voice here as well. And then you're just going to select generate. You can also add in your own like media, I guess, and this is what it will look like. She's going to then just say whatever you want. Here, I'll enable the audio real quick. It's applying. It does take a long time, so just be patient with me. So if you have more words than I did, obviously it's going to take longer. So I think I'm able to play this.
Whatever you want.
Okay, the video isn't ready yet. Sorry. There we go. Let me adjust the audio. It's so loud. Okay.
Whatever you want.
As you can see, it looks like she's saying the word. Anyways, you can do it with photos and stuff, but be careful. It's AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.